Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil and in this React and Laravel project video tutorial, we will make our search component. Keep in mind, we will integrate our search API in the next video because if I am going to do all these things like making search component, routing, links and search box like Google and integrate API and showing the list, then it will take around 30 minutes and video gonna very lengthy. So we will break it in the two part. In this video, we are not going to integrate API. So what we will implement in this API, first of all, we will make a new component for search. We will make route and links for this, and we will add a big input box for search result. And it's like a Google search, right? And at the last, we'll test our complete flow for this. We can go to the other routes, and when we are just jumping on this route, then it should be work fine. Before starting with this video, I want to share information with you. If you are looking to purchase domain name or hosting, then you can purchase it with the domain racer because they are providing hosting and domain name at a very low cost. You can see that hosting is just starting with the 59 rupees per month, and they provide you light speed technology with the SSD disk so that your website will work really fast. And they also provide you free SSL certification also. And one more, and which is a very important thing, they provide you a free website builder. It's totally free of cost, and you can make your website without knowledge of coding and all, right? If you want to make website without code and want to do it really fast, like within 1 or 2 days, then you can use this tool. This is absolutely free of cost. So let's come back to our video and make our search product component. So I'm just going to write a new component like search component for product. You can say that dot js. So we can do all these things very fast, so that I'm just going to copy the code from add product to here because we need a header and react all kind of similar things, right? So we can just copy and paste the code and we can save our time. After that, we don't need this stuff, so we can just simply remove this all of these things. And for a moment, I am putting here a h1 tag like search product, right? So component is almost ready, but we just need to change here a text which is search, and we can import it also. And let's go in on the app.js and import it and create a route for it. So simply write here import search product from search product, and let's create a new route for it. You can copy the any route whatever you want and make a duplicate copy of it, and let's change the path for it. So I will create a link with it with the name of search or our path, and link should be always same. And after that, I will provide a component which is search component search product, right? So this is also great. So now you will find that if you are just putting here a search keyword like this, then search component is loaded, but there is a no route, no link for it. So let's create a link for it in header.js, and let's create one more link to it will be search because it should be the similar with the path, and just write here search product. Now go to the list search product, add product like this. So we can just format this code. Everything is ready now, so we can just change this text with the input box also. Now let's come back here, and we can add here a br tag so that we can maintain some space. Now take input box, type can be text, we can close it, but now it's actually looking very small. So what we can do here, we can add a bootstrap class with it, class name, and we can add it like form control like this. And after that, what we can do here, we can just add here a placeholder also, like search component, search product, like this, right? So now we can just move on the other routes also, and they are working really great. So in the next video, we'll integrate our search API and our result will be visible here. So thanks for watching this video. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Bye bye, take care.